This stitch does look like knitting, or they call it ribbing, but we're going to do it in crochet. So let's get started. So you're going to make your slip knot, and you're going to do your foundation chain depending on how long or how short your project is. So for this demonstration, I'll just make 20 chains. Next thing to do after making your foundation chain, you're going to make a slip stitch on the second chain from the hook. And we're going to do the slip stitch until the end of our last chain. So we're going to do slip stitch on our entire project. So when you reach your last chain, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now we need to find the back loop. If you're going to turn your work towards you, you will see this V, and we're going to work our first slip stitch on that very first chain, taking only the back loop. So the same thing, slip stitch. That back loop. When you reach the very end, you're going to make a chain of 1 and turn, and do your slip stitch on the very first chain, always on the back loop. So the same thing, we're going to make a slip stitch. So that is how you do your ribbing stitch. Thank you for watching.